All right, so this demonstration video is going to show you how to use this grid app. So once you've chosen your photograph, you've saved it in your camera roll, you're going to take a look at this grid app right here. I'm going to open that up. This is what the app looks like. So the first thing you want to do is go to the camera in the top right section, tap that, go to your photos, choose the photo you want to work with, and then it automatically puts a grid on top of it. So if you tap the mode button, you want to make sure it's on fixed grid. That'll make sure that the grid is not moving around your image. I don't even know if there's another option in that. Just make sure that's chosen. And then this little icon in the top left right here, that is going to be where you change the amount of squares going horizontally and vertically. So if your composition or if your image is more of a vertical composition where it's taller than it is wider, then you want the columns to be at 8 and your rows to be at 11. If it's the other way around, if it's more horizontal, you're going to want to reverse that. All right, so once you have that in place, click on back, and then all of a sudden now you have your grid on top of your image. And let's count to make sure it's correct. Going across, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's what I want. Going down, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now there's a 12 here because of the size of the image. So that bottom row is just going to be canceled out of my image. All right. So once you have completed that, then you save the image. So in order to save the image, you just hold down on top of it and then click on Save Grid and Image. And then it should be located in your camera roll. Let's just double check to make sure it's there. And there we go.